You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today we have on the table to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And wow, I am so buzzing. So I ordered this from Samsung and it's coming up in this package basically. So yeah, this is what you normally get if Samsung actually sends you a product. But yeah, on the front here it says Unfold. And you got a little Samsung logo just right there at the top as well. And yeah, let's crack this box open and see what's in the box, shall we? There's a little tab here that you have to pull. Oh wow, look at this. That's pretty cool. That's snazzy. You can have a chat with someone from Samsung to tell you how to like operate the phone and stuff like that. That is pretty cool. Oh wow, like Christmas. It's literally like Christmas. Oh wow, look at it. Oh wow. I'm guessing this is the box they use for the Fold 3 as well, because it's big enough, so why not? But yeah, here we have the actual device. Oh wow, the box is so slick. As you guys know, I'm a big fan when it comes to boxes. And wow, this box is absolutely beautiful, man. It's so slim. Oh, mate, I love boxes. I'm a big fan of boxes. But yeah, up top we have the Z logo at the front there, and on the side we just have the Samsung Galaxy, well, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, 5G on the side, and then on the side here again we have a nice Samsung logo, which is pretty damn cool. And then yeah, at the bottom we have some serial numbers and stuff like that, and then at the back we have nothing really important, to be honest. Right, let's slice into this box. Let's see what's going on. There we go. I'm using a blade. If there's a unboxing knife company out there, you want to send me an unboxing knife, please do so, because I need one. Right, let's see what this nice, beautiful, snazzy box has for us. Whew. God damn! I got the pair. I got the Z Fold 3 and I got the Z Flip 3. That's really cool. Wow! This already looks way better than the Samsung Galaxy. The first generation of the Flip looks so much better. It looks more wider and looks more like a normal device. Like, for example, the S21 Ultra. It's not that much thick. It's not that much, you know, thinner than it. But the first generation of the Flip were quite a little bit more thinner. But this one, it feels and looks more like a traditional phone, but it just flips and unflips. Anyway, let's see what else we have in the box. We have kind of like a same kind of design that we did with the Z Flip, with the Z Fold. So you just open it kind of like a box, and then we got your USB-C to USB-C cable to charge up the device, which is right there. And again, this doesn't actually come with a charging brick, which is a little bit annoying, but Samsung do, they do think that we already have the USB adapter which plugs into the wall to charge up the phone, so they don't really need to put one. We just use one from the old device that we had. And then we have a warranty card here and a quick start guide. Same thing literally you get on all Galaxy phones nowadays. But yeah, that is that. And then there's nothing else in the box, empty. But now I want to have a look more at this device because it's absolutely beautiful. And there it is. Ooh, wow. And one thing I've already noticed while I power it on, it's got juice. One thing I noticed straight out the back, wow, that's second thing I noticed. One thing I've noticed straight at the back is the lock button. It also adds in for fingerprint scanner as well, just like with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is right there on the side, which is pretty cool. Nice they're implementing that. Same thing on this as well. You can literally just see it. Let me just close it. You can literally see the lock screen, the lock button on the side there. But yeah, when I say this looks a lot more like a traditional phone, I mean it looks more like a traditional phone. It's just absolutely awesome. It's not very far off the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Literally not very far off. Look at the size difference. Literally not far off at all. A little bit thinner, but it still feels like a traditional phone, which is very, very nice. I think what Samsung has done here is try to make it look as traditional as possible, so people buy it and, you know, people can actually use it as a traditional phone, but has a flip side to it. You can actually fold it and unfold it and stuff like that. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool. We've got two cameras up front, and we have a display as well at the front, which is just absolutely awesome. What I'm going to do is set this phone up quickly, because I want to have a look more on that and see what the camera, how the camera works with that screen as well. So as the phone just finished setting up, I'm going to go through, run around the device and show you guys what to expect. Obviously, like I said, this is the cream model. So it's got this nice cream color to it, which looks absolutely beautiful. It's just, it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then on the side here, we have the volume up and down rocker, and obviously also the lock button, as well as the fingerprint scanner there as well, which looks absolutely awesome and nice. And then on up top, we literally have nothing, only just a mic at the top, so you can, you know, you got the top mic there as well. And then at the bottom of the device, we have the charging port and the speaker grills. Again, USB-C, which is quite nice since everyone's going USB-C nowadays. Then you have your speaker grills down there as well as what looks like two mics, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, in the front here we have let me just, what's this? Then up front we have the front facing camera as well, which is pretty cool. So literally right there, just tucked in underneath the glass. And then at the back we have two cameras, like I said, screen and the flash as well, which is pretty cool right there. I'm very surprised how Samsung are actually managing to implement a flash in these phones, which is just absolutely awesome. It won't be as good as the flash that you would get on a traditional phone such as the S21 Ultra, which I have here, but I mean it's still a flash and it's still gonna be great. Anyway, the phone's all booted up, and wow, it literally feels like a normal traditional phone, which is just absolutely amazing. Yeah, that's what we're looking at there in the front. Obviously the display is absolutely beautiful. As you can see right there. What's going on? As you can see right there, display is absolutely beautiful. Stunning display from Samsung, which is absolutely awesome. But I want to test out this camera and see what's going on. Okay, right. So this is, wow, the camera is absolutely stunning, man. I wonder how many megapixels is in this. Yeah, camera is flipping beautiful. And now, yeah, we go. Wow. I'm very, very impressed with it, man. Very, very impressed. Look at that. So right now I can see myself in front of the device, on the screen, which is screen is actually really good, man. Quite a big screen, which is absolutely awesome. But you can see the quality, how good it is there. It's absolutely beautiful. And then if I turn it around, I'm seeing you guys, and you guys are seeing yourself as well through that small little screen on there as well. I wonder if it's touch screen. Can you touch it? I don't know if you can touch it. Maybe you can touch it when it's unlocked or something like that. But yeah, this is what I can see. And there's you guys right there, and you can see as well that it comes up there, which is awesome. It's very good for selfies. You can just, boom, you're using the rear camera, which is the best quality camera on the actual device to take a selfie, which is just absolutely insane and incredible. But yeah, man, I couldn't fault the camera at all. The camera is absolutely beautiful. Go widescreen mode. You can see all my setup and everything. You giving you guys a nice little sneak peek. Then you got me as well. But yeah, man, that's absolutely insane, man. I like that. That's absolutely beautiful. And the best thing as well, this one is absolutely light. It's very, very light in the hands. You can literally carry it in your pocket and feel like you have nothing in your pocket, which is absolutely awesome. And then obviously it folds as well, so you can fold it away and tuck it away, which is absolutely so awesome. Wow, I just noticed, look at the middle, the hinge. Look at the color. It's got like a nice matte cream color to it. I really like that. I really, really like that. That's absolutely awesome. Right, let's do the closing test and see how it sounds. Wow. And you get that little lock-in sound as well that it makes. Right, I'm gonna see what it sounds like, what both phones sounds like when you close it. So, wow. This is louder because it's heavier and the screen's a bit more heavier and thicker. But let's see what we can do with this front. Oh wow, okay. Oh wow, look at this. That is up. Oh wow, okay. Okay. Wow. So you have pre-installed kind of applications on the front screen here, which is absolutely awesome. So you got the time. Wait. There we go. You got the time. Then you scroll, you got the music, what music is playing, and then we have your alarm, your next alarm. So just quick, easy, you know, quick, easy little things that you can have a look at when obviously you're, you know, just quickly. Then you got a voice recorder there as well, so you can just quickly get to where and start recording. You got a timer, that's pretty cool. And then you can add widgets as well, which is absolutely awesome. And then you scroll all the way here, you have your notifications, which is absolutely awesome. And then you even have an option to even clear all notifications as well if you want to. But yeah, that's absolutely awesome. You can literally just clear it like that. That is absolutely stunning. But there is a little bit of complaint here actually. The closing mechanism is not that great when it's shut. I don't know if it's because what is to do with how it flips and is more longer than this, but there's a slight play to it actually. Just like a slight little play to it. So it's not like locked in, there's a slight play to it. Just a slight play to it, but at least it's easy to open and close, which is absolutely awesome. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure I like that, to be honest. I'm not sure I like that at all. But yeah, anyway, that has been the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. And yeah, the Z Fold 3 is right here as well, looking all nice and dandy and all nice and sexy. But yeah, this is the two phones. Absolutely awesome from Samsung, man. Absolutely awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. I will be comparing these two phones as well on another video I'll be making, just to, you know, show you guys what it's all about. And also I'm going to be versing it with the Galaxy S21 Ultra as well. But yeah, that's been the video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below, tell me if you have one of these and what color you have it in. And yeah, see you guys in my next one. Peace.